Blue whale. It is the largest animal on Earth. It lives in deep oceans. It sings loud songs to talk to others. Dolphin. It has smooth gray skin and a curved mouth. It swims in warm seas. It loves to jump and play in waves. Great white shark. It has sharp teeth and a white belly. It lives in cool ocean waters. It can swim very fast to catch fish. Sea turtle. It has a hard shell and gentle eyes. It lives in tropical oceans. It swims long distances to lay eggs on beaches. Octopus. It has 8 arms and soft skin. It hides in coral reefs. It squirts ink when scared. Jellyfish. It has a round, clear body. It floats gently in the sea. It glows softly at night. Starfish. It has 5 arms like a star. It lives on the ocean floor. It can grow a new arm if one is lost. Seahorse. It has a curly tail and long nose. It clings to sea plants. The father carries the babies. Crab. It has a hard shell and 2 claws. It lives near sandy shores. It walks sideways across the beach. Lobster. It has long claws and a strong body. It hides under rocks. It can grow back lost limbs. Clam. It has 2 shells that close tight. It lives buried in sand. It filters tiny food from water. Sea cucumber. It looks like a soft tube. It lives on the sea bottom. It cleans the ocean by eating bits of waste. Manta ray. It has wide wings and a flat body. It glides through warm seas. It flips like it's flying underwater. Penguin. It has black and white feathers. It lives in cold places like Antarctica. It slides on its belly across the ice. Seal. It has smooth fur and big eyes. It lives along rocky coasts. It loves to rest on ice or sand. Walrus. It has long tusks and whiskers. It lives in the Arctic Ocean. It uses tusks to climb onto ice. Manatee. It has a round body and gentle face. It lives in warm coastal waters. It eats seagrass slowly all day. Swordfish. It has a long pointed bill. It swims in deep oceans. It uses its sword to slice through schools of fish. Stingray. It has a flat body with a long tail. It hides under sand. It waves its fins like wings to move. Pufferfish. It is small and round. It lives in coral reefs. It puffs up like a balloon when scared. Moray eel. It has a long, snake-like body. It hides in rocky holes. It opens its mouth to scare other fish.